right. So let's look at the order of operations. You all learned about order of operations before, right? You started working on in middle school and then you're moving forward. It's just, it's the same process, same rules. It's just a little more intense problems. That's it. Other than that, everything is the same. So, saying that, let's write down the rules of order of operation. We say that it's PEMDAS. It follows PEMDAS. So it follows PEMDAS, so we can write down it's PEMDAS. Okay. P is what? Parentheses. E is what?
Exponents.
Exponents.
Maybe this is possible to write it a little bigger, or I'm just.
I can enlarge it.
Thank you.
Good. M is what? Multiplication. D is what? Division. Okay. Now, multiplication and division, we're going to consider together. If there is multiple of them in the same problem, we're going to do work on both of them at the same time, but from left towards the right. If you don't maintain the left towards the right, you're going to end up with the wrong answer. So it's extremely important for you to know that multiplication division comes together. We're going to work on those together, but from the left to right. Then comes addition, subtraction. Add and subtract. It's the same thing again. They're going to go together from left towards the right. Are we good? All right, great. Let's see how it works. I'm working on the first one. There is no numbering over here, so I can't even say number one. I'm working on this one. Okay. So here, let's look at this one. Do we have any from the order? We're gonna keep asking the same question. Do we have parentheses?
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna work on parentheses first. If there is parentheses, don't even look at anything else. Work on that one first. So we're gonna work inside the parentheses. What do I get if I work on that one? 8. So 8. And what is this thing called? The small teeny bitty thing? Exponent. Yeah, that's called exponent. And then everything else stay the same. Don't do anything to it. Leave it. Are we good?
Yes.
All right. Now we're gonna check again. Do we have any parentheses anymore?
No.
So do we have an exponent?
Yes.
We do have an exponent. What is the meaning of an exponent?
To like duplicate, like when if there's another one, there's another 8. So there's 2.
Okay. And what do we do with it?
You multiply.
We multiply them. So if we have 8 squared, what's going to be the value for 8 squared?
16.
16?
64.
Exponent means 8 squared. 8 times 8. You are multiplying that with itself. So it's going to be 64, not 16. Make sense? If we have, say, 5 cubed, what does it mean by that? What will be the value of 5 cubed? 15?
25 times 5.
So it's going to be 5 times 5 times 5. You are going to write that number as many times as the exponent is giving you. Make sense? All right, so we're going to get it 125. Are we good for exponent? We're going to talk about exponent next week a lot. There are 2 days of exponent, so we're going to deal with everything about exponent. But I want to make sure that you have the basic concept of it because you're going to need it today. We good? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, let's look at this one. So 8 squared is going to be 64, not 16. We all clear about it, right? Just making sure before we move forward. Now let's check again. Do we have any parentheses?
No.
Do we have any exponent? Do we have any multiplication division? We do. We have 2 of them. So there comes the rule from left toward the right. We cannot do this one first. Even though multiplication is here. First come multiplication, then division. But no. We have to consider from left to right. Whichever comes first on the left, from left towards the right, that has to be done first. Okay, so which one comes first? What do we do first? 64 divided by 2, what do I get? 32 minus 2 times 3. Keep it. Then what? I'm going to keep this one, and then we're going to do the multiplication. So 32 is going to be here, and what do I get over here? 6. Is it a positive 6 or a negative 6? Negative 6, okay. Now what do I do? Subtract, and what do I get? 26. Question? Confusion? We good? Great. Let's do one more, and then you're going to do some practice. Okay. I want to do this one over here. Let me pick a little difficult one. So. Okay, let's work on this one. So first, we're gonna keep checking. What's the first thing that we have to do? Parentheses. And inside the parentheses, check there are multiple operations, correct? So again, you have to check the order of operations. So inside the parentheses, which one should I do first? Multiplication, because that comes first before addition, subtraction, correct? Yes. All right, let's go ahead. Get started. 36 divided by 9 plus, what do I get over here? What should I write? 8 minus 3. Keep everything else exactly the same as it is. Now 36. Now what? What should I do? Subtract, and what do I get? Plus 5 or minus 5? Plus 5. Thank you. Now what? 36 divided by 9. What's the value of 36 divided by 9? 3? We need to work on our multiplication table. No other option for algebra 2. If you are still struggling on it, this weekend, go for it. We won't be able to wait for it otherwise. We're going to struggle so bad. So bad. Please. That's a request for your own help. You're not helping me, you're helping yourself. All right, now what? We're done. We good? Give me a thumbs up. Great. Do the practice. Work on these 2 problems. I'm coming to check it. I'm giving you 4 minutes to do it. These 2 problems. I'm giving you 4 minutes. All right. Let me work on this one. I don't have space over here, so I'm working over here. So it's 20 plus 4 inside the parentheses. I have 36 minus 3 cubed divided by 3. Okay, now tell me. What should I start working with? Parentheses, right? Now tell me, inside the parentheses, there are multiple things going on. Okay, inside the parentheses, we have to decide now. This is my first thing to do. Now, what should I do inside it first? Exponent. Great. So we're going to work on the exponent first. What's the value of this exponent? 3 cubed. Okay, I was asking about what would be the answer of the exponent. My question was not correct. So what do I get? 27, not 9. Right? We good with it? Everybody on the same page? Great. So it's going to be 20 plus 4 inside the parentheses. I have a 36 minus 27. And then divided by 3. Now what? Subtract what? Okay, so I subtract the parentheses. What do I get, my dear? 9. Okay. 9. If you look at this one now, I still have a parenthesis. I cannot get rid of it. Because let me tell you what, if you look at these numbers over here, this thing, there is no sign in the middle. If there is no sign, it means it's You are not adding or subtracting or anything. Everything is missing. Just the two numbers side by side, separated with a parenthesis. It means it's a multiplication. That's another way of writing multiplication. That's an operation, okay? So if you have a number and there is nothing in the middle, not even a dot, sometimes they give a dot. It means it's a multiplication, you understand it. Sometimes they don't give anything. So still it means it's a multiplication. A sign is missing in the middle. Make sense? All right. Now we're going to multiply them. So it's going to be 20. Remember, we're going multiplication division from the left towards the right. You have to do that one first. So it's going to be 36. Now what? Divide. And what do I get if I divide? Wow. Now what? And what do I get? Once you reach to one number only and there is nothing else you can do, you're done. Get into a habit of boxing, box or circle something with your answer. Sometimes I can't find the answer. If I cannot find it, I cannot grade it, right? So please make sure I can see it. All right, I want to talk about the homework. Go to your homework packet, please. All right. It's gonna be, we already worked on these two pages. It's gonna be the order of operations. There are 26 problems. I want you to work on all 26 problems so you are ready for tomorrow exit ticket. We have an exit ticket tomorrow, remember? That's gonna be your first exit ticket. We good? All right, super. Any questions?